Dr. David Wohl's assessment is right in line with new data from the CDC. Take a look at their new estimates. The CDC believes we have drastically undercounted COVID-19 cases and suggests 20 million Americans may have been infected with COVID-19. Now, if that's true, 6% of the country has already had the virus. WRAL's Julian Grace is live outside Wake Med, where many COVID patients have already been treated. And Julian, Dr. Wohl is very worried about where we are in this pandemic.
Gerald, he was very open and honest and transparent throughout the conversation. Now, currently, we are under 900 hospitalizations in the state of North Carolina, but that is still a lot. And tonight, we went on the front lines to talk to those about the CDC's predictions. With each day, it appears the concern grows around COVID-19.
My fear is, unfortunately, that it's going to get worse before it gets better. I've never been as concerned as I am right now.
Dr. David Wohl, an infectious disease doctor at UNC School of Medicine, shared his thoughts with us. This at a time when hospitalizations and infections are growing in the state, and on the heels of Governor Cooper's mask mandate and his decision to remain in phase 2 for at least 3 more weeks. Now this, the CDC warning that numbers across the country could be 10 times higher. The CDC took a look at blood samples across the country for the presence of antibodies to the virus. The assessment found for every confirmed case of COVID-19, 10 more people had antibodies.
We are so in the depths of this. I feel like the risk right now for catching this virus is so much higher than it was a month or 2 ago.
Which simply means more people have been infected with the virus than are currently numbered.
My concern is that we're going to have to start going back, not forward to reopening, but going back to closing in a smart way.
Gerald, Dr. Wohl makes it very clear if there was ever a time to social distance, he says it's now, and it's also very imperative from his perspective that we all wear our masks.
Boy, chilling words, especially when talking about a lot of people who are trying to reopen amidst this pandemic. Thank you, Julian.